Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has taken on the task to do something which is simply impossible. And I don't even know how they could actually make it possible, especially with all the controversy going on with everything. So Microsoft has taken on the task, and they actually have a job opening. They are asking for people for a job that will be to take Windows 11 and the AI that will be part of it and make Windows 11 and its AI services the most trusted in the world, which already seems more like something that half of the people are going to laugh at than a serious effort. Yet they are hiring people, apparently. And that team will be there to look at privacy within Windows and see in that privacy how they can change things, do things so that the features like Recall and Copilot become the most trusted of AI of any platform, of any company. We already know how complicated Microsoft is in just trying to, communicate with us, and it definitely doesn't help because they have no sense of good communication. And there's always that little blunder here and there that people hear about that makes users unhappy. And now they're getting a team to work on privacy settings. You know where privacy settings, when it's going to start looking good? I think Microsoft should just start with doing one thing here. In the diagnostics and feedback, they could, have an on-off switch for all of it. I think that would be already a pretty good step, because even though I would not turn it off, some of you would, and leave the user to decide which one you want to turn on or off. The other big problem is a lot of the false information. There's a lot of tech channels on YouTube that some believe as true and that just blurt out whatever you want to hear because they want to be famous and make money. And that's where it's a big problem. So they will give false info like Recall is uninstalled. You cannot install it. And Recall is always there. And, well, no, you can uninstall it. It's an opt-in. Copilot is not Recall, does not do what Recall does. It does not, do snapshots. All of these are false information. And of course, everybody comes back to, oh, well, this YouTuber, he knows what he's talking about. Yeah, sure. He says what you want to hear, which is very different. And this is the thing here is a lot of people here rant at what I say because, hey, this is the channel where I'm not going to say what you want to hear. I'm going to say what I have to say, which is a very different channel. And this is the funny part of where we are today. Too many people believe in the fake crap from other channels. And although, yep, nothing's perfect, and yep, there are privacy issues that Microsoft need to, look at. It's just funny when I see people start saying, well, they want to scoop up everything we do on our computer. Microsoft doesn't care what you do on your computer. All it cares about is they want to sell Windows licenses and all of its services and products. For the rest, yeah, you're so important that they're going to actually do that. But all of that exists, and all of that is something that a lot of people believe. So it comes to how can you clean the record? How can you have Microsoft, even if they have a team that comes and tries to work on making things better, they would have to make such an effort to reverse what a lot of people are thinking that it's just impossible. And that's where we are. So do you guys think that that team that they would hire, apparently, to make Windows 11 AI the most trusted in the world, do you think that it's something they can do or not? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.